Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to naturally colour and flavour some homemade Play-Doh. I know it can be quite a worry for a lot of parents when babies in particular like to explore using their mouths and will put things in their mouth to taste. So if you've managed to use something that's natural and edible, then that can ease some of those worries. So there's a number of ways you can do this. You can either use some fresh herbs, even like grass just from the garden, some herbs and spices from your cupboards drawer. So here I've got some turmeric, some just dried mixed herbs. The dried mixed herbs won't have much of an effect on the colour, but it will definitely change the flavour. So here's one I did earlier with the turmeric, and then we've got the one with the mixed herbs, and then we've got one here with some cloves. So this one smells really strong and probably won't taste very nice if they try it, but it does definitely bring a little bit of variation to the dough itself. So this is the dough normally, so quite plain, quite boring, wonderful to play with. I can't help myself but give it a good squidge. So today I'm going to use some lavender. So I've just got some. I have a lavender plant outside, and I've just chopped some leaves up from there. There's no flowers on there at the moment, but that's another option later in the year. You can use the lavender flowers, and also it might be surprising, but dandelions are actually edible as well. So again, I've removed some of the petals from the dandelion heads, and all I'm going to do is push all of this and give it a good mix in with the dough. And as you squidge it, you will start to see that there'll be a slight colour change, but more so with the dandelions, you'll see little flecks of yellow, and that will just offer a bit of interest to your children as they play. They may even try to pick little bits out of the dough as they are playing with it. So I don't know how well you can see that on the camera, but I'll hold it closer. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice little fleck of yellow all through that dough there. Just push a dandelion into the top of that one so we know what that one is. And then the lavender. Now, aside from this lavender will hopefully make this dough appear a little bit green, lavender scent in itself is quite a calming scent. So this can be really good for an activity to do when you need a part of calming down in the evening, maybe before bedtime, or if your little ones like to have a regular nap, you could use this as something to do to help them come into a calm mood, ready to play. And so these are obviously not going to be as bright and as vibrant as the standard doughs you can buy in a shop, but they are still interesting. And again, here, if I hold this one closer, you can see lots of flecks of green, and there's definitely a lavender scent there, which just smells really, really, really nice. Okay, so just pop those there. So I wonder if you could have an explore and see what else you could find around your garden or out in a natural space, or even in the supermarket when you're doing your shop. Maybe have a little look. You could even use vegetables, so things like red cabbage could bring a nice colour, or maybe even some beetroot. Just be a bit mindful there that they might stain clothes, so make sure you wear old clothes when playing with them. I'll see you again soon. Bye!